There, this side Viren. Today we are trying to discuss code forces problem of Rao owned 143 and specially it is round of for made for Dev 2 and the problem name is Dev and this is the first problem of this contest. So yeah, let's start our discussion. So here it is given some scenario that there is three friend who are participate in coding contest and they waste their lots of time and after long time they decide that they will implement problem if at least two of them are aware about the solution of this problem and otherwise they leave it. In simple word, they will attempt the question if out of three, if two are sure about the question, the solution of that question, so they can go for it, otherwise they leave the question. And yeah, this was the scenario here. Let's see what input say. So input, the first line input contain a single integer n, the number of problem of the contest. Means the first here it is we have to give how many problem in this contest we have, and the next n line contain three integer, uh, each of either 0 or 1. So indirectly they are trying to say that every n line means there is three question, so there is three different new line and each line contain three space separated integer. It is either 0 or 1. 0 means they don't know the solution and 1 means the particular person know the solution. So yeah, this was the input scenario here, and here is the output format that print a single integer the number of problem the friend will implement on the concept. So we have to say that how many problem the whole team will implement in this concept. So here is the first test case. Here are given that there is three problem and three new line is also there, and 110 means first and second friend know the solution of the problem and third friend don't know. So let us discuss on notebook. So yeah, here n is given as 3 and first means the first question. This is the scenario of first question, this is the scenario of second question, and this is the scenario of third question. So they will attempt first question because here two of them are aware about the solution. Yeah, this question is they are attempt also because three of them are also know the solution, and they leave this question because only one are sure about the solution. So here we print 2 has the answer. As you can see that it is given here the 2 has the correct answer. And let us see another example also. So here I take n, the number of problem in the contest we have 5, right? And there is a yeah, the scenario of all the let's consider the fifth one has 1 1 and 1. Now see what will the output. So yeah, they will not attempt this question, not attempt this also because only one person is aware about the solution. They will not consider attempt this question also, not this also. They just attempt last one, so answer will came here 1. Yeah, so let us consider another one example that here we take n has 2 and these are the scenario for the two problem. So yeah, here we get answer as 2 because first question they attempt and second also they attempt. So this was the simple logic we have to implement in our coding part. So let us see how I implement in code. Here you can see that I tried different way to solve it and I got accepted in two different solution. I will show both of them you. So this is the first solution. Let me zoom out. Yeah, so here I first take an variable and I take the input from the user. For this is this for the number of question in contest, and here I take n size array. The use of this we will discuss later. So firstly I run this for loop for n time because we have n number of questions, and each time I ask to user to enter xyz. This is for the scenario of first particular friend, this is the scenario of second particular friend, this is the scenario of third particular friend. I mean the user can enter 0 or 1 here. So yeah, we can make sum of all the three and we can put in first array, I mean the first index of the array. Yeah, in this while running this for loop we all get the what are the input the user will enter. So I will in next line I take answer, as 0. Here I can I count the number of problems that the team will solve. Here I run again one for loop. For in this for loop I check that if the total of the all three these three we made here in previously, if this total is greater than 2, it means they will the two of them are aware about the solution. So if the condition is true, then we will add one that we implement that they implement this question in their contest. So after running this all, we get how many number of questions they will implement, and yeah, lastly we print the answer also. So let us say the number of test cases. First test cases, this program will run. It will run for each and every test cases. You can see this. It will run for each and every test cases, and yeah, this solution got accepted here. And let us see my second approach also. Yeah, the second approach is totally same, but I use one use of auto here, the auto data type. So it will not write a long for loop. I mean, we don't have to initialize the data type of x. It will automatically catch by using auto for loop. Yeah, this was just the difference I used here. So yeah, this was the simple approach I used in this question, and it got accepted. Thank you for watching.